If you have never been to Buc-ee's or you are planning a trip, I have to tell you about this chewy pecan delicacy that I picked up on my recent trip to Buc-ee's here in Georgia. So I was quite intrigued. Upon opening, I got the smell of butter, which almost came across like a toffee. And this beautiful chewy pecan bite was filled with nothing more than handfuls of pecans. Not something you expect too often when you're out and about shopping for some type of sweet treat. But check out this chewy pecan bite here from Buc-ee's. It tastes like buttered caramel. It's chewy, but it is not sticky. So you get a bite that has flavorful pecans with a mixing flavor of caramel. So it tastes like those caramels that we know and love from the store shelves that make the perfect caramel apple, filled with handfuls of pecans. So, if you're visiting Georgia or want a bite of Georgia, try one of these Buc-ee's chewy pecan bites. They are sure to please.